Hey everyone, greetings. It's New York Dan here. Yeah, it's Michael Jackson bad out here, guys. This is pushing the limit as to what the snowblower can even handle. You can see how it gusted. What a mess, huh? Yeah, it's pushing the limit. I'm gonna show you something. I tried to make a path so I can even get to my garage here. Yeah, look at this. This is bad, guys. I don't know if you realize how high that is. It's bad. In person, you could just about walk over this stuff. It's worse than last time. I haven't even gotten here yet. Look. Look at that. I've not even gotten to it. It's too much, man. Too much. This is a huge snowdrift right here. That's probably about 4 feet of snow right there. I'm lucky it drifted right here because I need to get to the door. This was bad enough. I could just about get through this with the snowblower. Yeah, this is a terrible, terrible storm, man. So I'm taking a little walk around, but I'm telling you, I got to be real careful. This could all be black ice. I might be going down. It's freezing up. That's the problem. It's real bad. At least they got it to some blacktop. Okay, now we're good. This is more flat. They got it to more blacktop, but I'm going to tell you guys, this is really, really bad this time. I've never seen it so bad. It's worse than the last time the last time it snowed. I thought that was bad. This is really bad. Oh, jeez. Somebody's calling my phone again. I'll let that go to voicemail. Look at this mess. This is really bad. And the problem is there's no place to put the snow. So when people do their driveway, it ends up in the street. Look at this. Yeah. And this is like pure ice right here. I have a real problem with spam callers. It's really terrible. I get like so many calls every day. My phone's ringing every like half hour or so, and it's all spammers. They don't leave a voicemail. It's really nasty. Oh, wow, look at this. Wow. Where are they going? Whew. Look at that. Somebody driving by. Look at that. I don't know where they're going to go. That's all ice. That thing probably has 4-wheel drive. Wow. I don't know. Maybe it's a delivery. Do they do deliveries this time of year? Look at this. And that looks real slick, right? Slick Rick. Yeah, that's like an ice skating rink right there. If everything goes right, I'm going to be in Florida pretty soon. I won't be dealing with this kind of crap. If I can get out of here. Ha! Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it ain't good, guys. It really ain't good. It isn't good. It is not. There we go. The Dodge Ram. Which would you rather be? Dodge Ram or Ford? Or I guess you could buy Chevy too. They still make a truck. Yeah, look at that mess. At least there's some blacktop, but the problem is it's like icing over. Man, cannot believe how bad this stuff is. Oh, look at this powder blue Bronco. That's the latest thing, Ford Bronco. Look at this, powder blue, baby. Look at that. Yeah. Wow. Powder blue, my man. That's what you need in this kind of weather. The Bronco. We got to check my house. You guys want to see my house? It's this one right here. It's really cool. It's got a chimney in the front. It's even got like a pink light in the window. Yeah, I had my guys dig it out here. That's my place right there. Look at this little house. Isn't that cool? I like it. Yeah, guys, hope you're staying warm. It ain't easy, folks. You gotta be tough. Hit the thumbs up. Your friend New York Dan giving you a tour. I naturally couldn't get out here while the sun was out. You'll have to entertain yourselves during the day. I only come out at night. I was watching a really crazy movie I got sucked into on a Creature feature. I don't even know how you say the name of it. Mr. Sardontic. I gotta go look at the thing. Sardonticus or something. A guy had a disformed, his face got stuck in a disformed smile. He became like a baron. It's a nasty movie. It's real creepy. It's from like the 60s. Yeah, it's in black and white. Mr. Sardonticus. I'm probably butchering it. Yeah. Creature features on YouTube, their latest movie. You'll see it. I got to finish it. I have a little bit of it left to watch tonight. And believe it or not, I'm almost hoping they don't do it. But my friends are inviting me possibly to go to dinner tonight. And they're going to that same Italian restaurant where I got the pasta that was giving me that acid problem. And I thought it was messed up. Yeah, the same damn restaurant again, because when it snows, they do a deal where it's half price. Yeah. So they're thinking of doing that. I don't know, though, if I even want to do it. One of my friends, his driveway, he's waiting on it to be plowed. The plow guy has to come by, so he's stuck. And his driveway's really long, so I don't know. He's going to have to put boots and go walk through this kind of snow up to his, like, knees or worse, just to get out to the end of his driveway if we pick him up. Yeah, a lot of these plow guys, what happens is they promise they're going to plow your house. And then when you get snow like this, they're so backed up with jobs. Yeah, they'll plow you out, but it's going to take a few days for them to get there. That's the problem, folks. It's getting really dark out now. Yeah, I smell a wood-burning stove. Somebody's burning, baby. Yeah. The good part is it's not like 19 degrees like it was last time. I think maybe they put some salt down. This looks better over here, but I got to watch it because I don't have a life alert if I fall down out here on the blacktop. Nobody's around, as you can see. Hardly anyone's driving around. Most likely what will happen is the plow guy would run me over. Oh, man. I can't even get back up here. This is it, guys. When you move to Alaska, you got to expect stuff like this. Yeah. It's Alaska, baby. Oh, here comes a car. Oh, looks like he's turning. It's Alaska. Man, it's hard to believe that we'll have boating weather and it will soon be too hot. Yeah, that's hard to believe. We get the best of both worlds. Burning hot weather in the summer and freezing cold weather in the winter. And I gotta still finish doing my driveway. Man, oh man. All right, I'll see you guys soon. It's just the way it is, guys. It's the only hand the man dealt me. I got these things, my FM radio. I use them as like, they work to keep my ears warm out here. No one said it would be easy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Your friend, New York Dan. So guys, to make matters worse, this is the kind of snow, look at this. It's that damn packing snow. And it keeps getting stuck on the shovel. Yeah, if I don't do this now, this stuff is all gonna turn to ice. It's no joke. This is horrible, man. Whew. This is that crap. When I was in school, they would do a snowball fight with it. Because what you can do is you can, like, it's packing snow. It makes like a rock ball. Yeah. That's what would happen, guys. It's no joke. They would just like hit you as hard as they could with a rock ball. I had a lot of bullies in my school. A lot of bullies around. Anyway, hit the thumbs up. Your friend, New York Dan.